Is the cheapest spy camera you can get on Amazon any good? Let's find out. What's up everyone, I'm the Everyday Dad, and if I can figure it out, you can figure it out. Welcome back to reviewing the cheapest. That's where we go out and we find the cheapest tech, the cheapest cameras, the cheapest whatever. We bring it here and we find out, is it actually any good? Because I know I'm always trying to save some money, and I bet you are too. So let's just get to it. I always try to get the spin. The spin's what makes it legit. So today we've got the Sports HD DV SQ11 Mini DV camera. Now, the way I find this stuff is I went to Amazon, I typed in spy camera, I sorted it by price. This was the cheapest one and I paid, ding, dollars for it. The ding is me editing later. So what we do here in reviewing the cheapest, we're trying to do three things. We're gonna see what comes in the box, then we're gonna find out, does it do what it says it does on the box? And then after that, we're gonna take it outside into the crucible, and by crucible, I mean my backyard. But it destroyed a GoPro, so that's why I call it that. And then we're going to put it through a little bit of a durability test to see, is it actually worth buying, or will it fall apart the first time you use it? So let's crack open this box. Cracking open the box. Ooh, I like that it's not taped or anything. I don't need a knife. Just opens up. That's pretty sweet. So, okay, I opened it upside down. So what do we got here? We got some kind of clip. Whoa. Or a mount. It's some kind of mount. This is a spy camera after all, so it's probably going to mount somewhere. Ooh, we've got an AV cable that we'll probably plug in somewhere. And dang, this is a nice, wow. Okay, so this is a lightning, a USB, and a USB-C cable into a USB cable. And that is a, can you guys see that? Like, that is a very nice braided cable. Like, man, that might be worth more than what I paid for the box in and of itself. I'm probably gonna, so what we normally do is if the camera survives the durability test, I'll give it away on the live stream tonight, but man, this cable, I know it's weird to just be like talking about a cable, but cables are expensive, and that is a nice braided one. You guys will have to pry that one away from me. And we've got another kind of clip thing that we mount the camera onto. Now that I'm seeing this, I was gonna say, when I originally looked this thing up and I bought it on Amazon, I was like, man, that looks really big for a spy camera. Well, that is a tiny, can you even see that? That is a tiny little spy camera. Looks like it's got the USB, looks like it's got the micro USB and the micro SD card, an on button, probably a menu option. I don't know where you're gonna like actually set that stuff because there's no like display on it. Maybe if you have it plugged into the TV or something. And there's the world. Look at that teeny tiny little camera. Man, that's adorable. I like the little rainbow thing going around it. Gives it a dash of color, though if I'm trying to hide it, if I'm trying to hide my spy camera, maybe that's so that if you hide it, you don't lose it, because if you guys know me, I would probably hide this and then we'd never see it again. So that's everything that comes in the box. What does it say it does on the box? The SQ11 Mini DV camera, full HD 1080p. Ooh, that's fancy. Video, PC camera, take pictures, record audio, and motion detecting, kind of like the smart camera we had last week. It's got high quality image, high definition, full HD. Now, are we gonna get full HD 1080p out of this tiny little sensor? We'll find it, maybe. Maybe it does, I don't know, maybe it does. Ooh, hold on, we got an instruction manual too. We'll have to check that out in a second. Record high definition video under low light. Well, we'll test that here in just a second. We've only got one light. Well, we've only got one key light right now, so. High-speed transmission, USB 2.0 port. I do believe that because they gave me this very nice cable. Support T-Flash card? I don't know what that means. I hope T-Flash card means micro SD, because that's what I got, and that's what it looks like it uses. TV out by TV out line. Yep, built-in lithium battery. Okay. Sounds cool. Video format, AVI. Video coding, motion JPEG. Ooh, that's not gonna be an efficient spy camera. Video frame rate, 30 frames per second, that's what I prefer. JPEG, 16:9. This could be a YouTube camera. Maybe we should do the smallest spy/YouTube camera. Windows Me? Do you guys remember Windows Me? Like, how long has that been, right? Windows Me, wow. 2000 XP, 2000, was there a Windows 2003? Was there a Windows 2003? 200 milliamp hour battery, working time about 60 minutes. Okay, blah, 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 blah. What does this book say? Full HD 1080p. On-off button, yep. Sometimes when it looks very confusing, and this is all in Chinese. Oh, there we go. Reading is hard. You can connect the mini, blah, blah, blah. Video recording, press the on-off button, the blue LED will light up. let's figure this out. So let's try before we head outside. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick video and audio test indoors, and then we'll take it outdoors because obviously everything's gonna look better outdoors. So 1080p footage. Press the on-off button to turn on the mini camera. Okay, there's a light that's supposed to be turning on. Probably has no power. Magic of editing, it will be fully charged. Okay, well, it's not fully charged, but I'm lazy and don't feel like waiting anymore. So that's as charged as we're gonna get so long as it'll turn on. Okay, we got blue light. What does blue light mean? Mode, once, okay. Record, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this should be the image quality coming out of the Sports HD. You know, the cheapest spy cam I could find. I don't actually know if this is working or not. There's no like lights, there's no anything showing me that it's actually recording. So this is kind of a leap of faith, but this is the image quality you can expect, and this is the audio quality you can expect. You can see me, I'm just like holding it, like right here, this little thing. I hope you're recording. Please be recording so I don't have to do this all over again. But okay, so what we'll do next, I have no idea if that just did anything, but what we'll do next is we will hop outside and we will put it through the crucible. Crucible. Okay. Okay, so again, it's the next day. You know, the rain kind of kept us out, but it stopped raining for long enough for us to test out the world's cheapest, or the cheapest one I could find at least, spy camera. So we let it charge overnight. It is ready to go. I also spent like the last 20 minutes trying to find my sunglasses and I couldn't, so that's not much of a complaint for you guys, but that's a complaint for the rest of my day because I always wear sunglasses. Okay, we got it on. Menu. I can't, so here's one of the things, right? Like, give me some kind of display or something so I can know like what's going on. Okay, so we should be recording. So this is the outdoor quality of the cheapest spy camera I could find. I'm not actually sure if you're recording or not. You can see that I'm kind of like extended myself as far as possible, but this is the outdoor image quality. We only got 10 seconds indoors, so I'm hoping that we can get a little more than that. So we'll check this out real quick. Well, hey, let's see if we can spy. So if we put you right here, okay, can you guys still see me? I mean, you're pretty hidden. I mean, if you were to hide that somewhere, I don't know that you'd necessarily be able to see it. Do you see it? Like, look at that little thing. I mean, it's pretty small. I'm not sure that the image quality is actually there, but like I said last night, it's incredibly small. I think you could really easily hide this. So you've already seen how the image quality looks, but I've got to go see if we actually recorded anything. So magic of editing. We reviewed the footage, and I got to be honest, I'm shocked at the quality out of this little guy. I was super skeptical yesterday. Now it's not 10, it says it's 1080p. That's definitely not 1080p footage. However, if you're just trying to hide this in your house to, like, I don't know, if you have a babysitter or something you don't trust, or you have a, I don't know, I never have anybody in my house that's not me or my family, but if you have somebody that you don't trust, you want to watch your kid or something, like, sometimes I'm always concerned that he's getting into snacks that he shouldn't be because dude loves snacks. I mean, I can't fault him, I love snacks too, but if you're trying to see that stuff, the image quality is good enough. The audio, even when I set it far away, is actually not terrible. I'm actually more impressed with this thing than I ever thought I would be. It's just, we actually got a minute-long clip, so I think once you charge it or you have it plugged in, it's easier to get it going longer than the 10 seconds we got last night. But the audio is decent, the image quality is decent, but now, time for the real test. Dun dun dun. So what we do here is we're gonna drop this 4 times. We're gonna see, like, can it survive a little bit of abuse, or the first time you take it out and accidentally drop it. I drop stuff all the time. Will it break? Let's find out. Number 1. It didn't sound too bad. Now, so normally, I get a sense of these things because the heavier things, they hit these little slabs and they like immediately shatter. Generally, it's the light stuff that survives, like the camera from last week, the Wise Smart camera, that survived the Crucible, which is pretty impressive. That was number 1. Got a few scratches. Number 2. So what's making me nervous though, that it may not make it, is the shell does not, can you guys hear that? The shell does not sound good. It sounds like it might crack. So that was number 2. Number 3. Like, can you guys hear that sound when it drops? Like, I mean, it only has cosmetic damage so far. Nothing structural. There's no cracks in it. Pretty impressive. Number 4. Moment of truth. How does it look? I mean, I think it looks pretty fine. I think it looks pretty fine. It does have some scratches on it, as you guys can see. But it doesn't look like it's destroyed. It looks like it should work. I don't hear any rattling around inside. I think it might have survived. So, whoop, the sticker, can you guys see that? Can you see that? The sticker has started to come off. Uh-oh. we're in dangerous waters. We don't actually, so we're gonna have to turn it on, trust it, and then head back inside and see if it still works, because the light's turning on. That's a good sign. Mode, 1080p mode. Here we go. We should be recording. Are we recording right now? I think we're recording because the button's still working. Everything looks like it's still working. So I think, I can't prove it yet. I have to hop back upstairs and see if it actually recorded, but I think we've survived. Can you guys see you? Look at each other. There's you guys. This is my CES rig. Okay, I'm excited right now. This is actually pretty cool that it doesn't have a screen because it builds like my own internal anticipation. Generally, I know, but you guys actually know before me, which is a weird experience. Okay, enough talking. Let's go check. Hey, it survived. Like, that is so awesome. Like, so my favorite part of reviewing the cheapest, I don't necessarily like when things break. I like when they survive. So this is a spy camera. It cost me like 16 or 19 bucks. I don't remember. But it cost me very little. It works. The accessories that came in with it, like that braided cable, I think the braided cable is probably worth more than the entire kit by itself. Like, that is a nice looking cable. It survived. It works. I am impressed. So would I recommend the sport cheapest spy camera? If you're looking to like monitor your house, but you don't necessarily want it connected to the internet and you want to be able to hide it pretty easily, yeah, I would recommend this. I mean, it does everything that it says it'll do. It survived the durability test. It records decent video and decent audio. I mean, you will be able to tell what it is. I mean, you're not gonna get like HD or 4K image quality out of it, but you'll be able to tell what's going on, and you'll be able to hear what's going on. So I'm impressed by this darn little thing, and to break my heart to give up that cable, but don't forget, we will be giving this away tonight. Yes, tonight, because I had to do this morning because of the rain, and it's actually very nice outside right now. So tonight we will be giving this away at the live stream, so swing by at 8 p.m. Eastern, and you can win your very own little, not probably broken spy camera. So was it the most expensive? Nope. Was it the highest quality? Absolutely not. But it was the cheapest. Thanks for watching.